These look good. Check them carefully. Right. This one's firm. This one too. Perfect. Hear that hollow sound? Yes. It's ripe. Load it.
Start the harvest! Keep the lines moving! Load them steady! Watch for bruises! Next batch on the belt! Let's go! Clear the area! Machines advancing! Send them through! Check the line! Pulse to left! Keep it moving!
Initiate automated sequence.
Sequence active. Harvesting watermelons. Forklift moving to bay. Pallet incoming. Securing load. Truck bay clear. Load confirmed. Dispatch ready. All right, last one secured. Let's roll out.
Convoy is departing farm. ETA to plant is 45 minutes. Copy that. Convoy is on the highway now. Attention delivery trucks. Proceed to assigned gates for inspection and unloading.
Truck at gate 2, proceed.
All arrivals, follow signs to processing bays. Gate.
Truck 1, backing in steady to the dock. Clear for pickup, moving to conveyor. Good pace, team. Keep the line moving. Watermelons flowing, no jams.
Watermelons entering initial washing station. High-pressure water jets activating to clean fruits. Conveyor system moving watermelons through wash tunnels. Workers monitoring wash quality.
Washing is complete, moving to grading.
Automated size detection active. Watermelon scanned.
Confirmed. Next watermelon, size 52 fractometers, grade B. Lines running smooth, sizes are optimal. Adjusting blade speed for better precision. Quality check, grade A. Confirmed, next batch is ready. Process optimized, throughput is steady.
Extraction rate is 450 kilograms per hour. Rate updated to 500 kilograms per hour. Extraction efficiency is optimal.
Rate is steady, feed the pulp. Conveyor engaged, crusher activating. Quality check, consistency optimal. Extraction initiated, flow stable. Extraction initiated. Current extraction efficiency 78%. Yield optimized. Flow is steady. Impurities are being removed. Confirmed. The juice is clarifying well. Initiating pasteurization. Temperature level rising steadily to 72 degrees Celsius.
Alert. Temperature approaching 85 degrees.
Holding at 85 degrees. Process complete. Cooling system active. Monitoring temperature drop now.
Temperature update, 85 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Heat exchange is optimal. Target achieved. Excellent efficiency. Proceed to storage. Cooling phase stable. Inlet 80, outlet 4 degrees Celsius. Sample pH is spic. Brix is 11.5, confirming sweetness.
All parameters logged. Batch passes quality control. Current Brix is 15.2 within target.
Confirmed. Initiating controlled addition.
Agitation is optimal. Monitoring viscosity.
Mixing on the preservative addition in progress. Preservation levels at 45% and rising.
Initiating final quality check on batch 47. Check complete. Mixture approved for bottling. Quality check complete. Mixture approved for transfer.
Liquid transfer initiated. Pumping to storage silos.
Levels rising. Monitoring flow rate. Initiating line activation. Line activated. Ready for operation. Sterilization sequence engaged. Sterilization in progress. Filling equipment prepared. Filling equipment ready. Initiating fill sequence. Nozzles engaged. Precision confirmed. Flow is optimal. Fill complete. Next bottles advancing. Initiating capping sequence. Monitoring cap application. Confirmed. Manual inspection passed. Line efficiency optimal. Initiating labeling sequence. Conveyor speed set to 120 bottles per minute.
Alignment sensors active. Monitoring low deviations detected. Confirmed.
Throughput is optimal. Quality monitoring looks good. Keep an eye on the leak adjust.
Will do. Alignment accuracy is holding at 99%. Got it. Removing defective bottle now.
Confirmed. Line is clear.
There's a defect alert on the screen.
Acknowledged. The system has cleared it. Bottles are being grouped and packed into cases.
Confirming pack integrity now.
All cases are forming correctly.
Initiating seal on the next batch. Sealing station active. Monitoring seal integrity.
Seal is secure. Quality confirmed. Proceeding to next phase. Label applicator engaged. Applying shipping details. Scan initiated. Verify is accurate. Proceed to next case.
Next case ready. Monitoring output. Initiating wrap cycle on pallet 3.
Film tension is optimal at 85%.
Rotation is smooth, no vibrations.
Wrap is complete. Inspecting for tears.
Clear the aisle, forklift coming through. Steady on the approach, slot 2 is ready. Good placement, next pallet in line.
Temperature in Zone B is stable at minus 22 degrees Celsius.
Aisle 3, Bay 12. Copy, moving to Bay 12. Pallet stage, scan and confirm. Terminal, printing labels now. Order A4567 fulfilled. Next batch incoming. Document verified, loading approved. Trucks here, Bay 3, let's go. Pallets ready, bringing them out. Check the mana loaded, load by section.